we got Mustang Houdini ready for NASCAR Super Speedway. Thank you so much to our sponsors today, you guys. Thank you all so much for supporting our small business on DisplacementGarage.com and liking, following, subscribing, wherever we're at. Thank you. And I got my sweet Mustang Houdini back. He had a lot of love that he needed to be given. You guys are going to see us do some seat brackets, new racing seats, new harnesses, new harness bar, front and rear bumpers, headlights, taillights, super trashy huge blue horns. Not necessary, but necessary. Looking back on this video, it doesn't seem like we did a whole lot, but man, oh man, did we do a whole lot to this car. Windshield, bodywork that will never ever end, fuel pump, fuel filter, changing all fluids. The end goal was just to get Houdini to one race, get him ready for one race in the first year from me getting him back. So this build, it's for little me whenever I was 16 and just getting Houdini. This is everything that I would have done to it then if these parts existed and I had adult money. So this is for little Krishy and my sister little Kiwi. This build is for you, little buddy. This car I've had off and on since I was 16, so this was my first car that we're redoing pretty much everything on. If you're interested in learning about all the previous modifications that were done to Houdini, be sure to check out Houdini's playlist on our Displacement Garage YouTube. This is the first time I've ever received bumpers in the mail before. One came in a huge box and the other one just came wrapped up in the plastic. After a long time cooking in the hot sun, they were ready to be put on. Something I like doing to any headlight and taillight assembly that I get, I really enjoy putting clear or black sealant around the edges just to protect it a little bit more from any water getting in. I also love this huge, ridiculous truck air intake filter that we got. It is hilariously big. Not keeping all of the fender liner either, as you can kind of see there, just trying to block off any water and dust particles getting to that air filter. It will look a lot better whenever the fender is actually on there. But it is going to reduce some rubbing and scrubbing whenever I'm turning the wheel. This harness bar is Cypher. It came from AmericanMuscle.com. It's always a great day whenever you get to do modification parts and not fix-it parts. Well, unless your fix-it parts are going to make your car faster and better. And stronger. I kind of want to hum it, but I'm not going to do that to y'all. I sang in the last video, so I'll spare you. Dang, that looks good. Something you guys will notice too, those remove before flight keychains, I use them everywhere. I'm obsessed. Doing a little test fitment here to see if everything's going to line up without any additional drilling. Do some unclipping and clipping and get everything put together. Although I am a huge fan of Grabber Blue, Houdini has always been this darker, more royal blue color. And of course the all black. For now. That being said, hopefully 2026 is the year that Houdini gets bodywork finished and paint. Check out those seats. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. Something kind of cool is you're going to see here in a second the little galaxy thing on the wall over there. That is actually the heat shield from underneath the hood on this Mustang. Whenever I was in college, I thought it would be a cool idea to make a galaxy themed painting, and so I took the heat shield off, got a bunch of paint and glitter and threw it all together and threw it back underneath there. It definitely does not fit Houdini's personality, so that will just live in the shop from now on. I'm really wanting one of those heat extractor hoods. Maybe carbon fiber, maybe not, maybe just black, we'll see. Houdini will get a color change in 2026. Here's a last little look at, sadly, what is progress for 2025. Thank you guys again so much for watching and being a part of Houdini's story. We will see you guys next week. We'll talk to you later. Bye!